Hey crafters, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and I am so excited to share with you the September 2023 release at A Colorful Life Designs. So I'm going to show you what I got in this gorgeous pink package. I'm going to open up my manila folder here. I got lots of goodies. I'm going to set them aside. I will start not with the stamp set. We'll save that one. I tricked you there. Anyway, right off the bat, we have an awesome layered stencil here. Open this up. Tis called layered candy corn. So there's layer 1, 2, and 3, and all together, come up close here, you can see they make this layered candy corn design. I don't know if you can see it any better on the black, but that'll be really super fun for fall or Halloween inspired goodness. That's layered candy corn. Okay, got another layered one here. This is so cute. Lots of the little cellophane packages in this order. So you'll only see these little individual packages if there's little pieces parts like a masking component or if you have multiple layers, because otherwise Mary Kay is trying to cut down on plastic waste. So this, so cute. Layered Monsters 1. It's adorable. Got this outline. And then you got the little face to go in the outline. And then the little pupils for the eyes. How cute is that? Super cute. So layered monsters. Okay. Got another one here. So exciting. Okay. This one has a little masking piece. So you can mask off this bit if you needed it. And then you have layered potted bloom 1 and 2. So you have the pot here, and then the bloom portion on one sheet, and then the leaves and the stem on the other. So layered potted bloom 1 and 2. And then, like I said, you get that layering piece. So set these aside so I don't lose the little pieces parts. Got another one, very similar here. This is called Layered Vase with Sprigs. Same thing, you get this masked piece for the vase here, and then the sprigs that come out the top. So very easy to work with here. You got the 2 pieces. That's layered vase with sprigs. Okay, now this one isn't a layering one, but it does have these little masked bits. So this was very exciting when I saw this. I'm very stoked about this because when you think ghost, you think white, right? So you want to be able to make the ghost white, or actually you could just mask off, put some pixie spray on this and work right on a white cardstock and then ink blend around it, and then that will make the ghost only white. And then you could come in with the little face, and then you have these cool like drippy moons to make it creepy. And you've got the masks for these, and then the masks for the ghosts. So very excited about this one. Very versatile. You know, obviously you could start on like a black and then do like a white pigment ink to make a white ghost. Or you could just, like I said, use the inner masking portion to create the white ghost on your white cardstock and then ink blend around it to add the color. So lots of options there. Very cool, innovative stencil. And that one is called Interactive Drippy Ghosts. Very excited about that one. Don't want to lose any of those little masking bits. I'm going to be very careful setting this one down. Ah, static. This ghost doesn't want to leave me. He's my friend. Okay. This is another masking piece. This is called Drippy Arch. It's kind of a creepy one. I suppose you could make it more whimsical, like a slime, like green slime. But you could kind of come off the top of your cardstock and ink blend with like green and make it look like oozy green, you know, oozage, just to keep saying that word. And then you can also obviously mask it off here. So you have the outer and inner portion. And again, this was called Drippy Arch. Okay, and then we have All Aboard the Struggle Bus. I'm thinking that I may have inspired this one a little bit. Maybe, I'm not sure. But I do say this all the time. That I'm riding the struggle bus. I'm kind of riding the struggle bus today, if I'm honest. So that's really funny. And I'm glad that she added that to the lineup. Okay, back to some more Halloween. We have Scary Pumpkin and Happy Pumpkin. So pick a mood. Pick a pumpkin. You got scary or happy. Very cool. You could just do like a whole piece of orange cardstock and then there's ink blend in black. Super easy peasy. Nothing card there. Okay. This is Campfire. How fun is that? Roasted marshmallow in this cool fire. Obviously, you could use this fire for anything. It doesn't necessarily have to be fall or camping related. You could use it with witches. You could use it for, I don't know, an outdoorsy sort of lover. I don't know. Just very, I feel like it's very versatile. And it's kind of a good size. Let's see how big this is. To give you some perspective, it is about 3 3/4 inches from top to bottom. So that's decent size. Make a nice little focal point. Or you can make it like a romantic sort of theme. Like I burn for you or something. I don't know. Just thinking outside the box. Oh my gosh, this one is so fun. Okay, s'mores. How cool is this? I have seen the most amazing cards so far from my design team with this stencil. I don't think I'm going to be able to make anything even remotely as cool as they have. But you've got all these layers and they're kind of spaced out. So you could do, you know, the graham cracker and then you can put the texture, like the little dots on top of the graham cracker. So you could do, you know, like a medium brown and then a darker brown. And then you have like chocolate here and then a marshmallow, or make this chocolate as well. And then this would be like white. So that would be marshmallow. And then this would be brown for the bottom layer. So cool. I've seen such amazing cards. Be sure to check out my team and all the amazing cards they've made with that. Now, since I'm showing you this s'mores, I'm going to bring in this adorable stamp set. It's called Smores Naturally. I love you, s'more and s'more. Spread some more love. The s'more, the merrier. And gooey and sweet, what a treat. And look at these cute little marshmallows with little faces. So, amazing together. Obviously, they also go well with this. You can tie in these sentiments with any of those. Super fun. I love it. Okay, now moving on, we have lots of pumpkins. This is a really good size. I feel like you could do even just like 3 and kind of nestle them next to each other and make a nice clean and simple sort of design. Really nice there. And we have pumpkin poof. So it's kind of like got these little flourishes and little details here. Very pretty. This is a 6x6. It's not your turn yet, Stencils. You stay over there. Okay, lined leaves. This is so cool. It's very interesting. You got the detail of the leaves and then this background. Very different. I like that a lot. Ooh, goodness. See what I said about the struggle bus? The struggle is real. Okay, fall leaves. Very pretty. So you could leave this with just some ink blending, or you could kind of draw in your own details if you wanted to. Make a nice background. This is Berry Vines. This one's really cool. So I feel like you could totally make this and do a Christmas card too if you wanted. It doesn't have to be any particular season. It's one of those that could work year round, I think. Okay, this sunflower scroll. Again, florals with scrolls and kind of pretty unexpected elements. Very cool. I love the detail on the inside of the sunflowers. Okay, now I've got, I think there's one 3x6, unless I've missed something. Got brooms. This would be so cute across the front of a card, just as is, or you could easily mask, you know, what one you want to use for your particular design. So very cool. Lots of different options. You could make Harry Potter cards with that. All sorts of fun stuff. Okay, now I am on to the 6x9s, and we got some very detailed ones here. Just one second. Still running the struggle bus. The eye. Look at this. So cool. This detail, it's like almost kind of like a mandala. It's got this boho feel. Very, very cool. I love this one a lot. I think there was an eye one last month as well, and it was just so neat. So get that cool detail. Very cool. Okay, and this we have Thorny Vines. So this, I feel like you could make it creepy, you could make it pretty, you could make it, I don't know, all grungy. You could do all sorts of things. Very cool. Thorny Vines. Okay, this one. Oh, layered oak sprig. So this is cool. So you've got this, you know, size. Let's see if I can get a card base here. Show you some perspective. This is a nice size. Look at that. See, I'll take up a full card front. So you got a full card front here, and then you can bring in these little, you know, vein details just to kind of add some further interest into that one. Okay, just got a few more. Got layered fall foliage. Very pretty. Again, one that would be great. I don't think, even though this is an acorn, I feel like this could be year-round. You could make this Christmassy. You could make it summery. Just kind of change up the colors. Okay. Oh. Sorry. This was two. Layered fall foliage. Oh my gosh. Now I love it so much more. Look at this. Oh, that's amazing. I can't believe I almost missed that. So yeah, look at all these little inner openings. I'm so excited about this one now. Holy cow. Okay, fall foliage. 1 and 2. There aren't usually 6x9s with layered, so that kind of threw me off. Okay, and then this one. Look at this gorgeous artichoke rose. It's got all this beautiful detail. And again, this is a 6x9. So, lots to choose from here. Lots of variety. Several I feel like you could use year-round. Some that are more kind of themed or seasonal, but lots of great stencils to choose from. So be sure to check it out. Use my coupon AmyFan10 if you shop and save 10% on your complete order. I will link everything in the video description box below, and I'll check you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.